Hi guys, today is a Dollar Tree haul day. For those of you that are new to my channel, I do Dollar Tree hauls Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. And today is actually a part 2 of, I think, was it Saturday's video? I'm not entirely sure, but it is a part 2 of back to school supplies that are now being put out at Dollar Trees. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right in, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got. And if you don't know, my daughter's going off to college, so all of this really is kind of focused more like elementary and middle school. So I'm actually gonna be donating all of these supplies. So, and some of these are actually repeat of things that you've seen in other previous hauls, but I wanted to share it anyway just in case people are coming in to watch this video specifically because it's titled Back to School. So I kind of wanted to pull those items back in so that you can kind of see them all in, you know, one whole video. So I also have a goal for myself to do little to no editing. We'll see how that goes. First things first, I pulled all of these from my stash and I am gonna donate all of these. I feel like these are amazing at Dollar Tree. I don't know that they're talked about enough, but these are gonna be great for poster board projects. And it actually says poster stickers on here. So that is what I love about these. Look at these borders, so cute. I mean, they did not have cute stuff like this at Dollar Tree while my daughter was doing poster board projects whatsoever. You've got awesome letters, really big jumbo letters that it's gonna make your stuff look neat and stand out. Your stuff. Don't we all help our kids with their posters? But your kids' poster board, and you can just kind of see all the amazing letter options that they have available. All right, the next thing that I really liked and I wanted to share with you guys are these dry erase boards. I feel like this one's really great for boys, and this little pattern is great for girls. There's no way to kind of mount these, but you can obviously attach any sort of, you know, you could make these mountable if you wanted to, basically. And these could be great for home, you know, if you hang like a little study station, a homework station, and write out what their homework and studying assignments are for that week. So thought these were a great idea. And you know Dollar Tree has dry erase markers of all kinds, of all brands, and amazing dry erase erasers. Does that make any sense? So all of those are sold at Dollar Tree for $1, which is amazing. Okay, next up, this is not necessarily a necessity item, but I thought it would be fun to show you guys this brand new sticker. It is this My Little Pony kit, and it has a little frame here. And I thought it would just be fun if like your child wanted to decorate their binder or something. And as you can see, they can put a picture and then slap the sticker frame around it. I don't know. We always used to decorate our notebooks. Even Dollar Tree sells like the wrapping paper that you use to wrap textbooks. We used to use grocery bags back in my day in the 80s and 90s. We would use grocery bags and cut it out, shape it, and attach it to our textbooks and then doodle all over it. Thumbs up or comment, let me know what y'all used to do, or if you remember that yourselves. Next up are going to be the student planners. This was in a recent video, and it does say student planner on here. So I knew when I first bought them that these were going to be a donation item because I don't, I mean, it doesn't really say specifically student stuff on the inside. It could just universally be for anybody. And you can always kind of cover up the student part if you wanted it for yourself and you're not a student. However, I wanted to share with you guys, these would be great, especially for middle schoolers. I don't think kids in elementary school need planners, but I don't know, you never know, they could be into it. And you could definitely use this as a mom, as a parent, which I'm going to share some items in that realm as well. But those are amazing student planners. And then I'm bringing back this printing paper. I feel like these could be really great for a bunch of projects. As you can see, it's printing paper that has a really beautiful trim, and they come in a bunch of different styles. And I miss the days of having a kid in elementary school. Oh, it makes me so sad. All right, next up are gonna be a plethora of folders. I mean, Dollar Tree really is spectacular with the folders. However, I feel like they go for cents at Walmart, so definitely, in my opinion, I would go to Walmart first and get the majority of my stuff, and then I would go to Dollar Tree. The dry erase stuff I think is stellar at Dollar Tree, and I would go there for that. But for folders, they're just gonna be cents rather than $1. But Dollar Tree does have some really unique ones I want to share with you, like this one, for example. It has the folder, and then it has multiple folders in here. So if they only have like 4 or so classes, you could use one whole folder and it could hopefully last you. It also has the punches. You'd have to like, there we go. But you can see that it could also punch into a binder, which is great. And in the first back to school haul, I showed you guys some binder options. So if you haven't seen that video, it'll be linked at the end for you and down below. Here is this option, which you get 2 for $1. I've actually used these to do a lot of organization. So if you're a mom or a parent wanting to organize your child's school gear, I really wished I would have done that. I wish I would have been a little bit more involved than I actually was. So these are just amazing. You can see the holes as well for the binders. This one's really cool too because you've got a zip closure for the front, and they could put some things in the front here. And then you've got the 2 folders on the inside. These you get 2 for $1, which is great because then they're 50 cents each, and you can't really beat that. So that's great. And those could be great, you know, to put and use a folder for like each project, each test that they're gonna take. If you really want to stay on top of it, I can just tell you, if you want a little bit of advice and you don't have any children that are in high school yet, but it is junior year is probably one of the most important years. That's the year you're gonna do all your ACT and SAT testing, and those scores go to colleges. So I would organize maybe ACT, SATs, things like that. Here are these really cool options. And this one was really interesting. I've never seen a folder system like this before. What? And it's black. And when you get into middle school and you get into high school, they're gonna wanna reach for more of these mature colors. So I wanted to show you guys how amazing that was. Here's a blue option that I just showed you in pink. And again, you could put stuff in the front, you could label what class it is in the front, and then you've got all the papers associated to that. Here's this one, very similar as well. Look how cool this one is. They show you they've got the little paper. You can just slide in your paper in the front, and then you've got your folders, which I know is really important to have, like the folders or the pockets inside of a folder. Okay, next up, let's get into some of the mom items I was referring to. So not everything is for the student, because moms kind of need a little something something too. And as I was searching through the store, planners are going to be great. You could store these on your fridge so that you know when your child has a quiz or a test, you know, things like that. And not even just from a classroom perspective, but just any event for the school, whether it's field day or a field trip, you know, just all of those things you could just organize off of a really nice Dollar Tree calendar. And then I wanted to show you guys these options as well. That's more on a list pad. You've got a smaller calendar here. You could just circle dates and then a little note. And then this one was my favorite with the little teacup. And then there's the magnet on the back. Oh, this one's my favorite. What am I talking about? Look at this gorgeous lemon. Why isn't it focusing? There we go. What? Absolutely love this one. So those would be great for moms. Here are some planners for moms as well, if you want to throw these in your purse. I did a lot of waiting in the school line, you know, drop off, pick up. This is a great time to just kind of go through your to-dos as a mom and how to help your student, you know, or whatever, you know, that you need to do. Maybe you're really involved and you're in the PTA and things like that. So really cute. Look at this one. It has a lemon print on it. Really lovely. So I just wanted to show you guys those small options. And speaking of the car line, the drop off, the pickup, y'all, you need some coffee to go with you. You know what I'm saying? And I used to search high and low for these once upon a time, and now they're everywhere. But they are they're not reusable, so they're just kind of like you use them once and toss it. And I'm not necessarily the biggest fan of that, but just in case. And you can see it just has like a little Starbucks coffee cafe kind of, you know, look to it. And then I found these, so new item alert, but look at these reusable mugs. What in the world? This has a cute little camping theme. What is Dollar Tree doing to us? Look how nice this is. It is BPA free, sans free. So that is a plus in my book, let me tell you. This is just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It is not a Dollar Tree product, so I'm not entirely sure where it came from. And then this one, it seems to be like a little travel theme. So this one has a little travel as much as you can, as far as you can, and as long as you can. Side note, this is completely random and off topic, but I've been completely into watching people convert school buses into like mini homes that they just permanently live out of and just travel the United States. Is anyone else into those kinds of videos? It's amazing how gorgeous these buses can be. It's just mind-blowing. So the little travel mugs kind of reminded me of that. And now let's get into, look how gorgeous this little bin is. It has a clear, it's Sterilite, by the way, and these are stackable, which is great. And these are going to be great, in my opinion, at home for a study station. And also something that I wish we would have done, and I'm just passing this kind of off to you, so I wish what I would do with this is fill it up with snacks that she can have during class while she's just, you know, waiting for lunchtime. And make it visible, because you'd think, oh, they'd get up and go into the pantry and grab it. I can't tell you how many mornings, pretty much all of them, that it was just a rush to grab her backpack and go, and then there was just no snack but her lunch because it was made the night before. So, and you would think, okay, well then make the snack, put in the, listen, I'm just telling you, I would have done something where I would have put snacks in here, and on the way out the door she could kind of see it maybe in the entryway and grab a snack and go. So that's just, I don't know, that's my idea. Next up are going to be some really fun pens. I don't know, they're really cheeky. These are brand new. Has this little rubber cacti jumbo looking pen. It's really cute. The tip on this is yellow and this is pink with flowers. These are really interesting. Novelty pens are great at Dollar Tree. And let's get into some scissors. Westcott. You guys, I think when I hauled the Westcott sharpener, you guys were telling me how great this stuff was. And here are some scissors. And what I love about this is 2 for $1. So if you have multiple kids, bam, here you go. And then you've got blue and pink, and everyone gets a different colored scissors. And here are some pencil cases. This wasn't a recent video of mine. I actually showed a different print in the last video of part 1. Here is this one, your traditional, I mean, I even had one similar to this, but mine was New Kids on the Block, so there's that. And these really fun jumbo erasers. I just think it's kind of fun for them to have the necessity, standard stuff, and then just have something fun and cheeky in their pencil pouch. That's always been one of like my daughter's favorite things, is her pencil pouch and what she keeps in there. And as she got to high school, it was her favorite mechanical pencils, it was her AirPods and little things like that. But again, I'm catering more towards an elementary audience, I guess. So I thought these were really fun to include. And then this multi-purpose adhesive spray. I'm not sure that this is really for elementary students, to be honest, but I would kind of hold on to something like this for those poster board projects as a mom or a parent. and it says works on paper, wood, cardboard, and more. So, you know, throw that into your little pile of goodies, because sometimes you're so busy, especially single moms, it's so busy to kind of just keep up with everything, and then your student comes and tells you things at the last minute and you have to go to the store. So kind of having a lot of this prepared will take that edge off. Here are some more pencil pouches. These are really cute. This was in a recent video as well. And they have these beautiful faux leather, very charming woodland creature options as well. Alright, this last bag is kind of miscellaneous, but I wanted to show this again. These are the little trash cans. These would be great in the study section, or they could even put this in their locker if they have lockers, and they could store their little pencils. You could store, you know, a little candy for them or something that they can grab in their locker, and that would be a really great use of storage for that. These were also in a recent video, and it's just a squishy toy. You could also throw this in there. It's just, one, I know these are really popular, and two, these are kind of like a little stress reliever. So those are a great idea. And then the rest of the stuff is actually just toys. I thought it would be fun to maybe, you know, not only school supplies, but kind of gift them with a cute little toy or something. And I found these Crush Yums. They're Jiggly Pals, apparently. And you can gently stretch and squeeze your Jiggly Pal. That is what it says. And they can kind of collect them all. So I don't know if you can see what I have going on in that one. That looks like an elephant. So those are fun. And then I found some really interesting Lego sets, or knockoff Legos, because Dollar Tree doesn't sell the actual Lego brand. But I found this, what are these people? Actress and a doctor. Actress and a doctor. What a combination. But then I found a cute little lunch table. What? I have never seen anything so adorable. I feel like a lot of their Legos are more boy side, and this one's a vanity desk. How stinking cute is that? Yeah, so I know these aren't obviously school supplies, but in case you want to kind of give your child a little back to school present, I don't know, whatever. So those are just some of my ideas, and that's actually it. I just went through all of that, and thank you guys so much for watching. Leave your comments down below, and I hope that everyone is having a great summer. I'm still very much into the summertime, even though it's really, really hot in Dallas, Texas, but that's okay, completely used to it. And I don't even know why I just started talking about that, but I'll see you guys later.